Pendulum is a device that measures the slip resistance of flooring materials. Testing can be done in the lab to help material specifiers like interior designers, architects, or engineers select an appropriate walkway material for a facility. There are several standards for using a pendulum, including ASTM E303 and EN16165. The standards outline 3 reference surface materials that ensure the pendulum is working correctly. Pink lapping film, float glass, and tile provide specific pendulum threshold values, or PTV. For pedestrian walkway surface testing, the pendulum uses a 4S slider with a rubber hardness of 96. Once the pendulum has been verified prior to testing, materials can then be measured either in the lab or on site. If you sell flooring surfaces or apply coatings in Europe or Australia, it is the preferred way of measuring flooring materials for slip resistance.